So some useful formulas, derivatives and their integrals, derivative and integrals, right? So derivative of x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 is x raised to n. So this is the primitive of x raised to n. So integration of this is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So formula for you is integration x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Right? Always you have to write c. Now, so I am not going to speak speed. You have to consider there is a c also. Right? If I forget or I am not telling you plus c. Right? So always in all formulas there is a plus c. Right? Okay. So integration x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Means in differentiation we are differentiating this. Answer of this is n into x raised to n minus 1 for differentiation. So now in integration you have to increase one power upon power plus 1. So increase power x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. That means suppose you are given d dx of x square, right? Forget it. I am writing directly d dx of x square instead of this integration of x square dx, right? Then answer of this integration is, this is your integrand, so x square. So integration of x raised to n, 1 power more plus 1 upon power plus 1. So what is the answer? X raised to 2 plus 1. X raised to 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1, that is plus c, right? After finishing integration you have to put integration constant. So what is the answer? X cube by 3. Answer is x cube by 3. According to this formula, answer is x cube by 3, right? Suppose you have integration x dx, then answer will be x raised to power is 1 in here. So power is 1 means x raised to 1 plus 1, that is x square, by 2. Same power here, so 2, right? N plus 1 upon n plus 1. So answer is x square by 2 plus c, right? And one more important thing, you know derivative of constant is 0, but integration of constant is x, because constant is this 1. So 1 means you have to integrate x raised to 0. You have to integrate x raised to 0, and integration of this power is 0. 0 plus 1, that is 1 upon 1. So answer is x plus c. So this is most important formula for integration, because you are used to write derivative of 1 is constant. Now you have to write integration of 1 is x plus c, right? So be aware, right? आपको बहुत ही ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा जब आप ये फॉर्मूला सब अप्लाई करेंगे ना, तब ये सब आपको ख्याल में रखना पड़ेगा, right? Because you are now integrating, not differentiating, right? Differentiate means तोड़ना, right? And integration means जोड़ना. So आपको सब जोड़ना है, अभी नाम तोड़ना नहीं है, differentiate नहीं करना है, सबको integrate करना है, right? Now this is d dx of log x is 1 upon x, right? Then log x is the primitive of 1 upon x or antiderivative. So integration of 1 upon x is log mod x plus c. Remember this as another way in word. If derivative of denominator is in numerator, derivative of denominator is 1 is in numerator, then integration of this function is log of denominator, log of mod of denominator, right? Derivative of the denominator is in numerator, then integration of this function is log of mod of this function x, right? Suppose this is integration twice x upon x square plus 1 dx is given, right? See, derivative of x square plus 1 is twice x, is in numerator. So what is your answer? Log of mod of this function, that is x square plus 1 plus c is the answer. Got it? Suppose it is given integration 1 upon x log x dx, right? So similarly as in differentiation, simplify as much as possible. So in integration you have to also simplify if you can, right? So can I write like this? Integration 1 upon x upon log x dx. Now derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Here is the formula if you forget. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So derivative of the denominator is in numerator. Derivative of the denominator is in numerator. So integration of this function is log of this function, that is log of mod this fx, that is log x plus c, right? So you have to learn this also. कैसे फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करनी है, क्या करना है, वो बाद में जब एग्जांपल सॉल्व करेंगे तब तो मैं बताऊंगा, मगर अभी भी ये भी आपको सीखना है यहाँ से, राइट, विद फॉर्मूला. नाउ d dx of ax plus b whole raised to n upon a into n plus 1, that is ax plus b whole raised to n, means integration of, applying this formula here, integration of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So this is instead of x, it is ax plus b, and this is a linear function, right? So integrate this as a x raised to n formula. So answer of this is ax plus b raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and divide by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 8, so divide by coefficient of x. So applying this formula here, right? So this is x raised to n dx. Similarly apply, this is x, consider as x, as we apply chain rule in derivative. Similarly, so derivative of this, integration of this is bracket raised to n is ax plus b whole raised to n plus 1 power 4 upon n plus 1, and divide by coefficient of x, that is a, so divide by a. Now derivative of sin x is cos x. अब कहानी में ट्विस्ट आएगा, बहुत मजा आएगा जब इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे ना. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड यू आर writing the answer of differentiation, not integration in starting mode, right? After some practice you are used to, right? But if after finishing this chapter, while you are differentiating, then you are integrating that function also. So you have to be careful. आपको बहुत ही ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अभी इंटीग्रेशन में स्टार्टिंग में क्या होगा, sin x आया, ओके, sin x का डेरिवेटिव तो cos x होता है, तो sin x का इंटीग्रेशन भी cos x लिख दिया, तो क्या होता है, sin x का इंटीग्रेशन, sin x का इंटीग्रेशन कहाँ गए, हो गया कहीं पे, ये रहा. sin x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है, माइनस cos x होता है. और आपको आप यूज्ड टू है sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x लिखने के लिए. तो ये कहानी में ट्विस्ट आएगा अभी, और बहुत ही मजा आएगा देखने में, राइट? सो बी केयरफुल. जितनी गलती हुई मींस यू आर नॉट परफेक्ट. हाँ, स्टार्टिंग में एक दो बार हो जाएगी चलेगा, क्योंकि अभी अभी आपका डिफरेंशिएशन का मोड फिनिश होगा और आप इंटीग्रेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम रहेगा, दिक्कत. कभी कभी हम बहुत ही बढ़िया गाड़ी कोई चलाते हैं, सपोज मर्सिडीज चला के आए हैं और आपको कोई मारुति की कोई गाड़ी दे दी, तो आपको दिक्कत होती है ना कि इसका पिकअप क्या होता है और इसका क्या होता है, आपको कुछ दिक्कतें रहती है. तो वैसा यहाँ पे होगा, स्टार्टिंग में चलेगा, मगर आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स यू आर यूज्ड टू विथ Mercedes also, okay? So now this is now Mercedes and differentiation is your any car of Maruti, okay? So sin x derivative is cos x, so integration of cos x dx is sin x. No minus, integration of cos x is sin x, right? Because I said डेरिवेटिव का आंसर इंटीग्रेशन का क्वेश्चन रहेगा, और जो इंटीग्रेशन का डेरिवेटिव का क्वेश्चन था वो इंटीग्रेशन का आंसर रहेगा. तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन का आंसर ही sin x हो गया, राइट? सिमिलरली इन फंक्शन इज गिवन इज ax plus b, then sin bracket, right, means a cos bracket, so cos bracket integration is sin bracket and divide by coefficient of a, divide by coefficient of a. Now derivative cos x is minus sin x, so integration of sin x is minus cos x. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sin x is minus cos x. मैं भी भूल जाऊंगा कई बार, डोंट वरी, हम ह्यूमन बीइंग है, भूल तो कर सकते हैं, मगर इसका भूल का रिपीटेशन होगा वो गलती कहलाती है, मगर ये भूल से हमें सीखना है, राइट? ओके, फाइन. नाउ डेरिवेटिव of tan x is sec square x, then integration sec square x is, just ask your mind एक आपको आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन पूछना है, सेक्स स्क्वायर एक्स किसका डेरिवेटिव होता था? 10x का। तो राइट डाउन आंसर 10x, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेक्स स्क्वायर एक्स इज 10x। आस्क योर माइंड अ क्वेश्चन, व्हिच डेरिवेटिव इज दिस? ये किसका डेरिवेटिव था? सेक्स स्क्वायर एक्स किसका डेरिवेटिव था? तो आपको प्रिमिटिव ही फाइंड करना है। तो इसका प्रिमिटिव क्या था? सेक्स स्क्वायर एक्स किसका डेरिवेटिव था? 10x। तो प्रिमिटिव फाइंड करना है, ये किसका था? 10x का डेरिवेटिव था। तो प्रिमिटिव क्या है? fx का 5x, दिस इज प्रिमिटिव। एंटी डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है। तो आप क्वेश्चन पूछिए ना, ये किसका डेरिवेटिव था? सेक्स स्क्वायर किसका डेरिवेटिव होता था? 10x का। देन राइट डाउन 10x आंसर, इट्स सिंपल, नथिंग टू डू, राइट? रट्टा मारने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, आपको बस ऐसे ही याद रखना है। नाउ cot x, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cot x इज माइनस cos x square x। तो आस्क योर माइंड द क्वेश्चन, व्हिच डेरिवेटिव इज cos x square x? आंसर इज माइनस cot x। Which derivative is sec x into tan x? Sec x. Answer is sec x. Which derivative is cosec into cot x? Minus cot x. Answer is minus cosec x. Cot x is here tan cos x square x. Which derivative is cos x into cos x? That minus cosec x. So just like this question, तो आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी फॉर्मूले याद रखने में। नाउ मैंने बोला था e raised to x एक ही ऐसा फंक्शन है जिसका डेरिवेटिव और इंटीग्रेशन सेम ही होता है। तो e raised to x, e raised to x। Now e raised to x plus b, integrate e raised to x plus b and divide by coefficient of a, that is 1 upon a. Now a raised to x, derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a, and integration is a raised to x upon log a। डिवाइड करना है, डिवाइड करना है, राइट? तो a raised to x upon log a आएगा, राइट? So this is the 13th formula for you. Now coming soon more formulas after this, right? Now another useful formula from continuing that 13. So after 13, number 14 is integration 1 upon x square plus a square dx, right? So these all formulas are very important formula for integration and your study of calculus, right? And in starting, in initial stage, these all formulas are आपको जो है ना घुमा के रख देगी, right? Very confusing formula, right? So understand what is given and you have to which formula you have to apply, right? So answer of this is 1 upon a tan inverse x by a plus c. So integration 1 upon x square plus a square dx is tan inverse 1 upon a tan inverse x by a plus c, right? Where a belongs to r minus 0 and x belongs to r, right? So instead of this a, sometimes there is a 1 and that is your useful formula. So formula number 15 I am saying, that is 1 upon x square plus 1 dx is a is 1 here, so 1 upon 1 is 1, so tan inverse x plus c. Now recall your knowledge of derivative tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So this is the primitive of tan inverse x, right? So got it? So it's a anti-derivative. Reverse process of derivative is called anti-derivative, right? For this, another formula is 16. If you want to write answer in cot, then 1 upon x square plus a square dx, 1 upon a square plus x square dx is equal to minus 1 upon a cot inverse x by a plus c, minus cot inverse x by a plus c, right? So this is the formula for x square plus a square, but generally we use this formula 1 upon x square plus a square is 1 upon a tan inverse x by a plus c, right? And this formula we are using this formula frequently, 1 upon x square plus 1, but sometimes in MCQ answer of this is given in this, then you have to remember this formula for MCQ also, because मुझे भी पता नहीं है MCQ में क्या ऑप्शन मैं देने वाला हूँ और वो लोग भी देने वाले हैं, वो जो पेपर निकालेंगे उनको ही पता चलेगा और उनको ही पता रहेगा क्या है, राइट? सो 17 फॉर्मूला integration 1 upon x square plus a square finish. So now turn off x square minus a square dx. So 1 upon x square minus a square dx is, formula is 1 upon twice a log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c. So 1 upon x square minus a square dx, formula is 1 upon twice a log mod x minus a upon x plus a, if this is given in form of x square minus a square, right? I am writing another formula for this, that is, instead of a there is a 1, then 1 upon x square minus 1 dx is equal to 1 upon twice a, that is 1 upon 2. So answer is 1 upon 2 log mod x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus c. So that is your formula number 18. Now 19, x square plus a square, x square minus a square. Now we require a square minus x square. So integration 1 upon a square minus x square dx is equal to same formula as this. 1 upon a square minus x square is same formula as this, that is 1 upon twice a log, but if it is constant minus variable, this is variable minus constant, that is x square minus a square form. So you have to remember this form also. Which form is x square minus a square or a square minus x square? So if this is a square minus x square form, then answer is 1 upon twice a log mod x plus a upon x minus a plus c. Same as this formula. If you remember this, you know only this formula, then take minus common from this. This is become this formula, this converted into this, right? And if this is converted in this form, then your answer is 1 upon twice a log mod x minus a upon x plus a, and there is a minus, and then apply log rule. The log power rule, minus comes to here, so this becomes reciprocal. That is x plus a upon x minus a. So simple. So x square minus a square form, you have to remember 1 upon twice a log mod x minus a upon x plus a, and it is a square minus x square form, then 1 upon twice a log mod x plus a upon x minus a, either a plus x upon a minus x. You can write anything because of modulus, but plus is in numerator and minus is in denominator, that you have to remember. Similarly, if you put 1 is here, then another formula, formula number 20, is 1 upon 1 minus x square dx is 1 upon 2 log mod x plus 1 upon x minus 1 plus c. Right? Got it? Any problem? No problem. Now confusion starts. क्या करे क्या न करे, बड़ी मुश्किल है भाई. Right? So this is the formula for 1 upon x square plus a square. So 1 upon x square plus a square is tan inverse. Now this is in root. Then that is our formula number 21. कहानी में twist. Now कहानी में twist. Integration of 1 upon under root x square plus a square. 1 upon under root x square plus a square dx. 1 upon under root x square plus a square dx. Either a square plus x square, all is equal x square plus a square, right? So 1 upon under root x square plus a square. 1 upon under root x square plus a square. Answer is log mod x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Square root of, this is x, right? So 1 upon under root x square plus a square dx. 1 upon under root x square plus a square dx. Answer is log mod x plus under root x square plus a square. Sorry, I forget to put my plus sign. So answer is log mod x square plus a square. Got it? Any problem? Log mod x plus under root x square plus a square. Are you getting this? You differentiate this function, and I teach you a shortcuts method for there. That is log of this is answer is 1 upon this only, right? Because of this formula, right? Because there is the, this is the antiderivative of log x plus under root x square plus a square, right? Please be noted. If this is minus, then there is minus only here, otherwise same formula. So difference formula for this x square plus a square minus x square minus a square, but no different formula for this, only difference is here plus minus then minus. And 22nd formula, integration 1 upon under root a square minus x square dx. Yeah, we forget to write here 1. Okay, we will write later on. So root a square minus x square is sine inverse x by a plus c, is sine inverse x by a plus c, right? So integration 1 upon under root a square minus x square dx is sine inverse x by a plus c, right? If we substitute here a is 1, then under root 1 minus x square dx is equal to sine inverse x plus c. Recall your formula of differentiation. Derivative of sine inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So if we differentiate this, then integration sign will be gone and the answer is sine inverse x, ddx of sine inverse x. Is the definition of primitives or antiderivatives, right? So 1 upon under root 1 minus x square is sine inverse x. So similarly, using this formula, if it is under root a square minus x square, answer will be sine inverse x upon a, sine inverse x upon a, right? Then for this 24th formula, you have to write this here, right? So while you are writing, write this formula here, right? That is, this is 22nd, 3rd, and this is 24. Change the number, right? But if not right, then this is also okay, right? So 1 upon under root x square plus or minus 1 dx is, answer will be log x plus under root x square plus or minus 1 plus c, right? Then 25th formula, integration 1 upon mod x into under root x square minus a square dx, x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon a sec inverse x by a plus c, 1 upon a sec inverse x by a plus c. Similarly, if you put a is equal to 1, this is 1 upon integration x into under root x square minus 1 dx is equal to 1 upon a, that is a is 1, so nothing to write. So 1 upon nothing not required, sec inverse and x by a, that is 1 plus c, that is sec inverse x plus c. So these are the important formula for you, right, to remember. And using these all formulas, now we are going to start to solve the questions, that is numericals of integration, right? But I heartily request you to write down these all 26 formula at least 10 times before we are starting a new video. Okay, so do practice, and writing practice is must required. If you write this 10 times each formula, it requires hardly 2 hours, right? You are able to write within 2 hours, but that 2 hours आपको बहुत ही काम में आएगा. So आपको इंटीग्रेशन इजीली पढ़ना है तो फॉर्मूला इज रिक्वायर्ड. आई एम गोइंग टू नथिंग, मैं कुछ करने वाला नहीं हूँ, बस मैं फॉर्मूला ही अप्लाई करूँगा. आपको आंसर देना है कि ये कौन सी फॉर्मूला है, बस वो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. नथिंग टू डू, सेम एज डिफरेंशिएशन. डिफरेंशिएशन में भी क्या किया हमने, फॉर्मूला याद रखे काम किया था, इसमें भी यही करना है, राइट? सो प्लीज डू रिमेंबर दिस एवरीथिंग. सो फॉर दैट प्लीज राइट. ओके.